everyone. First of all, I want to thanks to Evision for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself and talking about my Evision journey. I am Priya Khare. Basically, I am from Amravati, Maharashtra. I have completed my engineering from Sipna College of Engineering and Technology in the field of mechanical. After completing my engineering, I searching for a job in IT company, but I can't get success. Then my friend told me about the Evision, and I also got to know about the Evision by the Naukri.com portal. Then I browse all the information about the Evision by the Evision website. Evision is the IT recruitment and manpower outsourcing company, and it is also the base firm for those who want to join the IT company. Then I decided to join the full-day job internship program of Evision, and I enrolled myself there. After joining this program, I learned about the so many things. First of all, I learned about the basics of computer networking, and then Windows administration, and then CCNA, and very lastly cyber security. In very first, I learned about the basics of computer networking, and this session is conducted by the Roshan sir. In there, I learn about the what is network, various types of network, that is LAN, MAN, CAN, WAN, and also the network based on the topology, that is ring topology, star topology, and mesh topology. After completing this, I learn about the peer-to-peer model and client-server model, and I also learn about the various types of networking devices and what is the function of that, and how we are using them for making the network. After that, I also learn about the OSI model and TCP/IP model, and the virtualization and cloud computing. And very lastly, I learn about the media. In media, I learn about the various types of cable, that is cross-through cable, twisted pair cable, shielded and unshielded cable. After completing these sessions, there is another session which is conducted by the Rahul Das sir, that is Windows administration. In Windows administration, I learn about the theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge. In practicals, I learn about the how to work with the DNS server and how to work with the Windows Server 2012 R2. In there, I learn about the how to activate the administrator account, how to create the new user, how to create the workgroup environment, and how we are joining the domain environment by the workgroup. And in the domain, I learn about the how to activate the ADDS role in a server side, how to promote them. In server side, I learn about the how to create the new user and how to give the rights and permission to that user. And I also learned that how we are remotely access the client machines by doing some settings on the server side. After that, I learn about the various types of Windows troubleshooting. In Windows troubleshooting, I learn about the black screen of error and how to resolve them. I also learn about the system hanging process and how to resolve that problem. And after that, I learn about the BSOD mode, that is the blue screen of death. And I also learn about the Outlook, how to create the PST file in the Outlook, and how we are storing our email in that PST file. After completing the Windows administrations, we are moving towards the CCNA session. And CCNA session is conducted by the Vibhushit sir. In CCNA session, I learn about the computer network, how we are making the computer network by using of Cisco packet tracers, and by helping of the various types of networking devices, that is repeater, hub, and switch, and how to connect them by using the Ethernet cable, and how to configure them by using of various types of protocol, that is protocol RIP, EIGRP, and OSPF, and how to give the commands to them, and how to configure them. After that, I also learn about the how to create the VLANs, and I also learn about the IPs. There are two types of IP. First one is IP version 4 and IP version 6. In IP version 4, I learn about the various types of class ranges of IP version 4. After that, I also learn about the ports number. There are various types of ports number we are using for connecting the various types of protocol, that is protocol HTTP, SMTP, and POP3 protocol. like that. After completing the CCNA, I learn about the cyber security. Cyber security is conducted by the Manu sir, and in cyber security I learn about the information gathering tool, and after that I learn about the Stego suit and Stego hide. By using of this tool, how we are hiding our informations and data in the picture format. After that I also learn about the social networking, and the most important concept, that is system hacking, I also learn from the cyber security. After completing this all session, there is the another two session which are conducted by the Sushant sir and Tarun sir. These sessions are the interview session for us. In these sessions are like the doubt clearing sessions, means if we are having any doubt about the any concept which are covered before, sir are solving that doubt and giving us the knowledge about that. And I also learned the different concepts which are not cover in the previous session, that is the WDS and DSCP server, and how we are create the ADC, PDC and CDC environment. And most important concept, that is very important for the security purpose, that is the BitLocker, fire defender wall. By using of this, how we are secure our PC or secure our drive. After that, in every weekend there is the mock interview, PPT presentation sessions and interview session. Because of that, it built up the confidence in me. Yeah, and now the Evision built up that much of confidence in me, that how to give the answer to the interviewer, how to express yourself to the interviewer. That much of confidence Evision given me. And I also learned from the Evision that how to tackle the problem in a positive approach. This is I also learned from the Evision. So I just want to told you that just go for it, guys, because Evision is the best firm to learn, to grab and to achieve the great opportunity in IT sector, and to get the job in a IT company. So now I am ready to give the real time job interview, and I that much of confidence that I am crack that interview in a first attempt, cause Evision giving me the that much of confidence in me. So that is all from my side. And lastly, I again want to thanks to Evision. Thank you so much.